back to my YouTube channel. My name is Resmi and today I bought this beautiful yellow eye makeup look with this beautiful dress. So yeah, let's get started the video. So first I'm going to wash my face with my favorite face wash, which is Kaya Youth. So I'm going to apply all over my face and massage it for 2 minutes and then I'm going to wash it.
She calls me day and night. I'm sorry girl, you just don't make me feel right. I never meant to make you cry, you were right.
Next I'm using a gel based moisturizer, which is Himalaya Gel Oil Free Gel Cream, and I'm going to apply all over my face.
You wake up feeling worse and then you check the time.
Next I'm using for my lip a lip balm, a color lip balm.
If everything was good then you would feel alive.
Next from this palette I'm taking this color and starting my eyebrows. For the concealer I'm using this concealer and apply all over my lid and near my eyebrows also. Next I'm using a beauty blender to blend it. Next I'm using this compact powder to set my eyes. Next I'm taking this color for my transition shade. Taking this yellow color and applying all over my lid. Next I'm using this yellow shimmer and this black color. First applying this yellow shimmer and then applying this black color on my outer corner. On that I'm applying golden shimmer. Next I'm applying a thick eyeliner. Next I'm curling my eyelashes and applying the mascara. And don't forget to wear the fake lashes also. Next I'm wiping all of my face. For the color corrector I'm using here a red lipstick to hide my pigmentation and dark circles. And then with the help of a beauty blender I started to blend it. Next I'm using primer, Lakme primer, and applying all over my face. Next I'm using a stick concealer around my eyes, around my lips and all over my face. And then with the help of a brush I'm going to blend it. It's time for foundation. For the foundation I'm using Lakme liquid foundation and applying all over my face. And then with the help of beauty blender I'm blending it. Next with the help of Oriflame compact powder I'm setting it. It's time for contouring. And then I apply the blush. And then I applied the lipstick. So the final step is highlighter. And here is the final look. Hope you have liked this. So I hope all have enjoyed by watching this video. So if you like this, please hit the like button. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel and press the bell icon to get all the notifications. Thank you so much for watching this video. Bye bye. Take care. Love you all.